Hey guys, I'm doing my intro here because my art room is so full right now I can't even sit in there. And what I'm going to be doing today is a one puddle pour on a 40 by 30 inch canvas, which I did once on a 36 by 36 a long time ago. And I have a goal today. I want some blue cells and black negative space. Now, to get the cells, I'm going to be using the Artist Loft and the Americana DecoArt. I'll put the names of the colors in the description. And for the negative space, I'm going to be adding a little bit of the black satin enamels into my black paint. Like you've seen in maybe 2 or 3 videos I've posted already, exact the same mix. And I'll be pouring my paints in a way like with the black on top so that the cells pop up from under it. Now I'll be adding a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium as I always do and water. So let me go and set myself up here and I am going for this. Alright you guys, so this is about an hour later and I'm like stuck up on my wall right now. I have no space. But yeah, those blue cells are so gorgeous. And I got exactly what I wanted, a mix of cells and of negative space, so yay. I did spray some diluted dish soap because there was a ton of negative space and I saw like where the paint was lighter there and I knew that it would react in those areas, so that's why I sprayed. But yeah, it's looking so cool. There's just one weirdo, creepy I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking, sell weird thing up there, but the rest is looking pretty chill. There's just something about blue, right? Sorry about the reflection as usual. It's just so pretty. Let me try and go over there. You can see the reflection from my orange painting up there. in the painting. Okay, so stay tuned for the dried result. I'm gonna stuck up on my wall. There. So I'm back with the dried and varnished result. I'll show it to you vertically after because I find it looks good in both directions. I'm pretty happy with this, you guys. I have to admit, I like that there's sort of like a Milky Way going through the middle, and there's a bit at the top there too. And it dried exactly the same. Those blue cells are really, they're light. It's like the two lighter blues that were in there mixed together, and the darker blue, well, you can't really see the darker blue. And where I sprayed some diluted dish soap, you can see that there. You can see it very well here too. It's where there's the black and white cells, basically. Sorry for the glare. Gotta love the gloss varnish. This blue is freaking gorgeous. So hard to film. It's so big. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around now. And there we go, vertical. I'm loving this side too. All right, so let me know which side you prefer, vertical or horizontal. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.